$1.25. We're gonna go sledding. We are here at Service, and I remember going here a couple years ago when we were here during Thanksgiving. So we got the sleds. Today's snow outfit.
No, you have to go over.
You're pointing down.
You're seeing, go. Let's go.
Sledding, but we just observed, which is okay. Just wanted to get some like good B-roll. Here's Oreo. Hi Oreo, are you cold? Are you cold? Are you cute? Say hi. You're shivering. Like a little blanket on you. How's that? Okay? There. So he's nice and warm, kind of. There's Oreo. Hi Oreo. I don't think I mentioned it, but this is our very first year spending Christmas here in Alaska. We have been here during like the colder months, but that was during Thanksgiving, but like I think that was like 20, when was that? Like 20? No, I think 2015 or 16. It was a really long time ago. So it's pretty cool, you know, to see winter, like an actual winter season. I mean, you know, California winter is completely different from here. So it's really cool to be here and spend time with, you know, the whole fam. So yeah, anyway, my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law are making turkey soup, which I think is going to be bomb because, you know, it's cold outside, so it's good comfort food. Turkey sopas, which is it's a soup, like a very comfort-worthy soup. Here's some games. Almost. Oh, it is tea time. Tea time, and this is the last tea time for this Christmas.
Sad.
So it's okay. Ivan, go ahead and just pour
the hot water.
Yes, it's steaming today because it's cold outside.
This one is the whoa, it's so blurry. This one is 25 Irish holiday.
Yes.
Is it good?
I don't know.
Oh.
I just said yes because the very last one. So
and it has organic black tea with ginger and rooibos. I don't know.
Rooibos.
Oh, and cinnamon. I might try this one.
Okay.
Pretty good. I'm not sure because it already has black tea, and I like black tea.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay, I'm not trying it.
No? Okay, never mind.
It stinks.
All right. Okay, Ivan, we'll have Ivan open his advent calendar. And what do you have there? Can you tell what that is?
It's a bell with like the plants on top.
Ah, nice. Okay, go eat it.
And also here is the finishing of this.
Yeah, I can't believe it. We went through all those teas. Okay, go ahead and open the Trader Joe's.
This one?
Yeah.
So this is the last one, just 25. It's in the middle.
Tell me there's a pink one in there.
The ice cream one.
Come on, tell me that there's a pink one because we haven't gotten a pink one.
Ever?
No.
Really? Never.
Come on, pink. Come on. Ivan! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! There's a pink one!
And this flavor is pink champagne.
Yes! Woo! Pink champagne! I've been waiting for you.
21 for the popcorn.
Wait a second, don't tell me it's only up to 24.
Did you skip 3?
No, here, go ahead and open it. Did I? No, there's no way I skipped 3. Maybe that's the day when Uncle opened one. So just open 3. I don't know.
This one is what was every popcorn's favorite TV show in the 80s?
What?
Wonder Woman.
Top of the Pops.
Avengers.
And this one is Strawberry Cream.
Ew.
Oh,
Not you.
it looks different.
Uncle
Oh
probably
my
opened
gosh!
it. Uncle opened it.
Jonathan! Oh my gosh, look what he put! I was like, it looks different. He put a freaking Quaker oatmeal, an instant oatmeal.
No more popcorn.
Okay, well, let's try pink champagne.
Look,
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna try the tea. Hopefully it's good.
it's yucky.
It smells so good.
Good.
She's like a tea connoisseur.
Tastes like black tea with a little ginger.
Do you like it?
Gingerbread.
No? Okay, that's okay though. We just wanted to thank you so much for hanging out with us for the 25 days of Chicmas. Yeah, we'll still be vlogging, but I'm not going to be uploading every single day just because I want to spend time
With us.
Yeah, want to spend time with them, but we definitely will be vlogging whenever we go out, whenever, you know, we're doing something.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
If you enjoyed Chicmas Day 5 and if you enjoyed Chicmas, make sure you give this vlog a what?
Like and subscribe if you're new to the Chicky Crew.
Yeah, to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chicky, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Happy holidays, and we will see you in the next vlog.
Merry
Chicmas! Mwah!
This is Ina. I just want to say happy Chicmas. Bye. Don't mind the messy closet.